All
me, sir.
right.
I'm going to ask you to remove your hat, please, and
Chief
search your clothes since
Judge
you
of
entered
the
the
state of
building.
San Andreas, Germain Maximillian Francais DeMarquis, Robbespierre III, Esquire, Attorney at
I'll let
Law,
you out.
presiding over the First Circuit Court, Family Court Division. I am now calling the court into order. This is in the matter of the child of Charlie White. The child's name is Charlie Garret White, I believe, Jr. Is that correct, sir?
Correct.
Miss- All right, and the mother is Jen Black, who is also present.
Yes, sir.
All right. So why I've called you here today is that a anonymous complaint has been received from the
All right,
SACPS
sir.
regarding the retention of a certain baby during dangerous activities. Mr. White, would you like to provide any clarification as to the nature of this complaint?
No idea what you're talking about.
You have no idea what I'm talking about. You do realize that everything you say is under oath and subject to penalty of law.
Mm-hmm. What are you talking about?
Have you had custody of the baby at any time while you were on duty and actively responding to calls?
Possibly.
You have. And could you describe the nature of some of the calls that you responded to?
Just some driving around, some
Yo,
1038,
look in front, bro.
some hiring processes, car repairs out in the garage, patrolling in the streets, up in the mountains,
I see. Could
some
you could
traffic.
you
Mhm,
could you tell me, have you responded to any 1013s, 1016s, 1031s,
1099.
1032s, 1034s, 1047s involving a 1050 or any situations where a 1052 might be needed, as well as any 1054s, 1055s resulting in a 1080, 1057s resulting in a 1080, 1059s in which it was believed violence may occur, 1060s in which a 1080 may or may not have ensued, any 1070s, any 1071s, especially involving a 1032, or have you been in 1075 with any known felons, or in any manner responded to any 1078 calls, as well as any calls in which any 1080 of any nature was engaged, as well as any investigations or responses to a 1089, a 1090, or in any 1091s involving a person who may be in danger, or any clearances of any 1093s or response to any 1094 in which a 1080 may have been engaged, as well as any dealing in any matter with any 1096 or 1098 for that matter, or any situation in which an 1144 may have been called.
Sorry, you said a lot. Can you say that again?
Yeah, for the record, could you say it again, Judge, please?
Yeah, because you said a lot. I don't want to say yes or
Alright,
anything if it wasn't
alright.
correct, sir.
Mr. Charlie White,
Mm-hmm.
while having your baby in your custody or in your
Mm-hmm.
presence, did
Mm-hmm.
you respond to any 1013s, 1016s, or any 1031s, 1032s, 1034s? Did you engage in any 1037s that
What was
involved a
1042?
potential 1032? Did you engage in any 1047s resulting from a 1050 in which 1052 was needed, or engage in a 1053 in response to any 1080 as well as any 1054s, or any 1055s which may have resulted in a 1080, or any 1057s which may have resulted in a 1080, or in any 1059s in which belief of conflict may have occurred, or any 1060s regardless of whether or not it resulted in a 1080, as well as any 1070s or 1071s of any nature, or came in a 1075 with any known violent or convicted felons, or have you been 1076 to any 1078 calls, or in any 1080s regardless of the source of origin, as well as have you responded to any 1089s, or investigated any 1089s, as well as any 1090s, or been 1091 with any dangerous people or any persons suffering severe injury, or have you responded to any 1093s or any 1094s resulting in a 1080, Or have you ever, while in custody of the baby, had a 1095 or responded or in any manner dealt with a 1096 or a 1098 or responded to any calls involving an 1144?
Well, can you be specific on what a dangerous person is? You know, what's a dangerous?
A dangerous person is a person capable of danger.
Okay, what was that number 13? What was that again?
The 13th one, which I called out, would have been a 1080 regardless of the source.
Okay, gotcha.
Let's see anything about 1099.
I don't know.
I believe the 1099 would indeed be covered under the 1013 as well. Though, yes, two phrases for the same thing.
Situation, really.
Yes.
That 1099 can result to a code 0.
Sir, I would like my mother to be here. I don't feel comfortable about my mom.
Oh my god.
Your mother is currently here?
Yeah, I'd like my mother to be here. Where's my mom?
And
I'm
who is
scared.
your mother?
Mayor. Rhonda.
Objection.
All right.
Call my
Why-
dad to the stand.
Chelsea Bates, please approach the stand.
Shit.
Growl.
Oh shit, I can't. Hold on.
Are you sure we should be taking someone who obviously can't get past that up here?
Shut the fuck up.
Order! Order in the court. Miss Chelsea Bates, you've stated objection. Do you have any interest or concern in the well-being of the child, that being specifically one sanctioned under law? Are you a blood relative? Have you in any manner under the foster care or the SACPS system at any time had retention or custody of the child, or has the child ever been placed into your care?
No.
Do you have any knowledge to the factual nature on the grounds on which Officer White has spoken?
Objection.
Bailiff, if anyone else enters the floor without permission, arrest them on site.
Oh
I was
my
about
God.
to take care of that, sir.
All right. Please continue, Miss Bates.
I'm sorry, can you repeat that last one?
Yes, 1 second. Or do you have any factual knowledge as to the statements provided by Mr. Officer White?
Yeah, I have some factual.
Could you please provide this
Oh my
information to the court, understanding that everything you say is subject to the penalty of law and perjury charges?
I just wanted to state that he is not, in fact, related to Rhonda.
He is not.
No.
Objection.
Officer White,
You'll break
Officer
that
White,
Objection.
are
No,
you
never.
Objection.
are you a blood relative, or have you ever been adopted or under the custody of Rhonda Santos?
She
the mayor
has
of
called
Los
me
Santos?
son before.
When?
So under that assumption, I believe I am, sir. She's called me son. I call her mother.
Do you have any proof of this?
We can call
I
her here,
call my
sir.
dad to the stand.
Order! Order! There will be order in the court. Please remove the man in the plaid shirt from the floor. Officer White, that is the most ridiculous logical assumption I've ever seen you come to, and I've seen you say a lot of stuff in this court.
Well, I
If
was
you-
abandoned in
if
a
you-
trash can when
if-
I was younger, so when she says I'm
Listen.
her son, she's my son.
Listen.
I'm her son.
Listen, you've used up about all the leeway you're gonna get. If you make any other claims like that again, I will hold you to perjury charges. Do you understand me, Officer White? Alright, Miss
Actually,
Bates,
it's
you
actually
may exit
Lieutenant-
the floor.
Lieutenant
Thank
White,
you
sir.
for your help.
It's actually Lieutenant.
Lieutenant White.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, now Lieutenant White, as to the nature of the charges, not the charges,
Mhm.
the calls I described, how many or what frequency or to degree do you believe that the calls and responses that I described are ones in which you may have been engaged in?
Can you say them again?
No, I cannot.
Okay, and I think maybe one. Only one that's in,
What's
it called?
What's it?
Which
Yeah,
one
it's
was
a
it?
law, I forgot.
Wait, hold on. One of the shootouts. I
1080?
think it's. No, not a 1080.
A shootout?
Yeah. I think
And
it's
could
only
you
one of them.
describe the nature of this shootout?
Oh, the
Alright, so we're on Grove Street. I had a sniper. I was far away. Go pew pew. I killed 2 of them. Pew pew. I
laying on
killed
the
another
kid?
one. Huh?
Was she laying on the kid?
How did I lay on the kid? I was in a prone position. I was upright position.
I had to make sure.
Ear damage. No. I got special. You see these bunny ears right here? These bunny ears are ear protection.
I understand.
It's almost a mill.
So describe the shootout. You responded to a shootout with a baby on your chest?
Baby on my chest. Maybe on the way there. I don't think I had it with me in the shootout. I can't recall, to be
Did you live in
honest.
the hot car?
I got air conditioning. I got a windows
So,
cracked. I got a personal maid.
so when you got to the shootout, are you saying that you
Mhm.
removed the baby from your chest and left it inside the vehicle?
I didn't say that.
Okay, then what are you saying?
You left it on the grass?
I want a lawyer. I don't want to speak anymore.
You want a lawyer?
Uh-huh.
Alright. If you want a lawyer, we will get one. Until that time, I will have the bailiff remand the defendant into custody. He is to
What?
be held until trial. If he does want a lawyer at this time... Jesus Christ, Zapka.
I'm sorry, I didn't mean to. No!
Are you sure you want a lawyer? Mr. Lieutenant White?
To.
What the fuck?
I thought
You
said
are-
What's gonna
bad
happen to
deal.
my baby?
What?
we
And
will
he could
figure
have
that
me as a
out.
lawyer, yes.
She can. Chelsea can be his lawyer.
All right.
No,
Your
because that's his
Honor.
mom.
I'm
It's,
at court
it's,
right now.
What's that called? It's confliction of interest because it's his mom.
Your
Shut
Honor.
up.
I'm not his mom.
May I approach?
Yes, you may approach Mr. Father White, correct? Or is it uncle? You're the uncle?
He's
I'm the uncle of the child, yes.
Alright.
I would just like to express that I have told little Charlie here,
One
my
second.
little brother.
1 second.
What are you gonna say, White?
Sir, I'm in court right now, alright? Can you hear me? Hello?
Can you help me?
Wait, you're in the
Sir,
fucking courtroom.
Not very professional, sir.
Bailiff, if that man in the hallway right now makes another phone call, arrest him and hold him in contempt of court. Man in the
You heard that.
attractive underwear, if you make another call, you will be held in contempt of court.
Wait, who?
He's talking about my
No
sexy
phone calls
underwear.
in the courtroom, sir.
The man right there walking away. Alright. You may continue, Uncle White.
Sir,
Okay,
sir, you cannot enter the floor. What are you doing?
I would just like to express that I have had multiple conversations with my baby brother about the proper way to take care of the situation, but he also expressed to me that I'm the only other person that he trusts the child with currently because of... Sorry, hold on, my voice box. Because of the fact that she is also, I believe, looking to join the police department, and recently hired. Okay. So she's got a lot ahead of her of the training and proper protocols and stuff to protect life. And Lieutenant Charlie here has already been through a lot of that. So, also, if anything is needed to come of the child until this is all settled, I can take care of the child temporarily. Just wanted to make sure everyone knew that.
I understand.
I just recently bought a new house. I have a bedroom for the kid, so
I understand.
I was just wanted to express all of that while I was here.
And Mr. White, what would your rank in the department be?
Captain.
Captain. Alright.
Where did he go?
Lieutenant White, could you please describe any other situations in which you may have had the baby outside of the Grove Street incident?
1 second, sir. I'm getting something. Hold on 1 second.
Yes, please.
Your Honor.
Yes, sir.
I think I want a lawyer.
You do. Chelsea Bates will be your lawyer. Would you like a
Okay.
5-minute recess to confer with her?
Yes, please.
Alright, you two may go into recess and confer there. Please whisper if you don't want what you're saying to be heard by the court. Alright.
Where do we go for that?
You can stay on the floor or go inside. You'll be required to be back at your seat in 5 minutes.
Where the
I'm
basketball?
going back here.
I want to go recess.
Shut up.
Alright.
Wait, where did? Yes.
nephew.
Yes.
Nice to finally meet you in person.
I just got back from overseas.
Oh, gotcha. What's your name?
Gin Black Domingo.
Tin Black Domingo. Plain
Yes.
white. Nice to meet you.
Hello, Raymond
Nice to meet you.
Reddington. How are you?
Hello. Cadet there, you're being summoned for additional bailiff duty. Cadet, right there, with the blonde hair.
Max.
Wait a minute.
Max,
Max,
Cadet
come.
Max.
Come.
Please keep anyone from entering the floor who's not currently present on it.
That you.
I swear to God.
Were
I swear
fighting
to
him.
God.
Sir,
I
cannot
wanna
enter
ask
the
you
floor.
about-
Please exit the floor.
Can
That's
you open the
1-1.
door?
Where are you?
There's no entry of the floor.
Can you open the door? I want to come in.
You
You
hit my
cannot
Yes.
talk
son.
with him at this
Second.
You
time.
bastard.
Could
Yo!
someone go open the outside door and let the spectator in?
Anyway,
Yeah, you gotta turn your voice up, Germain.
Oh yes.
never asked.
Could you go open the door and let the spectator in?
You never wrote to me. You never talked to me. For the whole year, you weren't there. You weren't there. You were not there.
You disappeared.
You disappeared.
You wanted to live
I was
your,
overseas.
crazy life.
Crazy at the beginning of it. That gas station in Guatemala was not me.
That was you.
It
100%
was
you.
not me.
That was you. The gas station in Guatemala, I know you did that. I have it on records.
Oh god.
I would when I retired. I had it all
It's
on
the
file
same
as
guy
well,
we
though.
threw out trying to get in.
Can't.
I gotcha. Don't let that guy back in then.
Do you remember Killzone? Yeah. Had it all on
Plus, it's
record.
so powerful it burnt my skin.
You blew the whole thing up. You killed innocent people. Why did you think I
Don't
could
you know
have
how
been
this-
around my work?
Don't you know how?
Hello, Raymond Reddington. How are you?
Very good. How are you?
Where are you, bro?
I'm at court right now.
El Domingo.
Look at me in front of you.
I
It's in
see
the
ya.
chair.
I see you. You're right there.
Yeah.
Hey.
We
Hey, that's what you call
we
a-
need you
a
to help
kickbox
us.
Scenario.
Well, I
Pretty
can speak
much.
to you after
And now
the
she's
family court,
complaining on
alright?
why I had to disappear.
Okay,
for good.
okay.
Okay.
That's exactly
Thank
why.
you.
You think I could have that around my
What?
work? I'll look corrupt as shit.
Hello?
Get your ass back on that side.
Did you get my text earlier?
I
Hello?
did. I'm at court right now. So is
Alright.
Chelsea.
Uh,
I gotta go outside.
oh, are you going golfing later?
We can go golfing later, yes.
Yippee!
Ugh.
Officer White? Well, I'll have to ask you when we officially call back into recess. Never mind for now.
Okay. I'm also technically a deputy.
I got you. Sir, if you call me one more time during court,
Yo,
I will
dude,
permanently
listen,
block
listen.
your number. I will permanently block your number
Oh,
if you
why?
call me during court
Why?
again. Alright. I call
She walked
court
outside.
back into session. Mr. White, have you conferred with your counsel?
Yes, sir.
And how would you like to proceed at this time?
What do you mean proceed? How would I proceed?
Are you ready to continue, or do you need her to
Yes, sir.
speak on your behalf?
I like her to speak.
All right, Chelsea Bates, please approach the bench.
Yes. Oh my god.
So, as it's been indicated, this lieutenant here brought the child to a shootout and left him unattended in a vehicle. At
Objection,
an
I never
active
said that.
shooting. I've read through the report, sir,
Okay.
and there's more in the reports that you didn't indicate to me, and we'll deal with that at the end of court.
I'd
So,
like to know what report this is, sir.
the Captain White here, the uncle, has indicated that he's already tried to speak to him, but that due to a lack of available care that he trusts outside of his brother, obviously, he does not believe there is anyone capable of caring for his child. Can you speak on this matter? Has he
Yes.
fully attempted to get someone to care for the child?
Yes. So as you may know, the mother has not been present within this child's life, and up until now. And there is no childcare in this city, and therefore there is no one Charlie can give the child to unless that uncle is available
I
for the
understand.
child.
There were no local care providers you could have left the child with?
No.
Daycare is expensive.
I understand. And Miss Jen Black, it's been indicated that you've not been in the child's life. Could you please explain the situation to me?
The kid's only 3 months old. It's only gone a month.
I got you. So you were there for the first 2 months of its life?
I would hope so.
I mean, were
You would
you?
hope so.
Were you physically here for the child? You were not. So for the
I
entirety...
left before it was born.
She was the center, he was the quarterback. You know, they kind of
I got you.
and then the center was gone.
I
It
understand.
was
So
it
from
was a bone marrow baby.
the moment that you birthed the baby, you left it at the hospital and Charlie White received care of it from there?
Yes,
No,
I was
Your Honor.
overseas.
No? Could you please elaborate, Mr. Officer White?
Sir, the baby was left at my door, sir. Doorstep. I woke up
Left-
one morning. hmm
Are we sure the baby is yours, Officer White?
Excuse me?
Are
What'd
we
you say?
What's that
is
supposed
the
to mean?
baby biologically yours?
I'm offended by that
Yeah.
question, Your Honor.
It definitely has white blood.
hmm
It's a legitimate question. Is the baby biologically related to you, sir?
Yes, sir, it is.
All right.
I can tell you how it was conceived if you want me to.
I don't need you to. Miss Jen
Alright, so-
Black, do you contest his biological relation to the child?
No.
You do not? Alright. So, from
He's
what
the only man I've ever been
I've
with.
gathered here, you've not been in
Cap.
this child's life from the moment that you were able to leave it. You left it at the father's doorstep. Have you paid any support to the father?
Yes.
No, sir.
No,
I gave
sir.
him over $30,000.
You did? And
Yes.
are you contesting this, Counselor Bates?
This. Oh. Can I say something, Your Honor?
Yes?
Today was the first day she's been back since 3 months, and she did give me, it was like around 26,000.
26,000? Does that sound
Yes,
right,
sir.
Miss Black?
Give or take, yes.
Okay, so we're saying roughly 26 to 30,000. We're gonna go with
Yes.
26 for this.
Correct.
It's like 26,000
Your
a
Honor.
few $100.
And there's been 3 months for which you've been providing care for the child.
Yes, Your Honor. This is
Alright.
her first payment.
You had something, Miss Bates?
Yes. I also would like to mention that she requested that Charlie purchase a vehicle for her.
I understand. So she's
Objection, hearsay.
all right. Objection sustained. Do you have any proof of this, Miss Gates? If not, I'll have to sustain the objection.
Miss who?
Miss Bates.
Oh, I think you said Gates.
No.
Charlie.
Alright, so she didn't force me to, but
Oh
I
my
was
God.
offering to buy her a very nice, safe, comfortable SUV for my child.
It's very safe.
Instead,
Okay,
she wanted.
Do you have proof that she said this? That's specifically what I'm
I
asking
mean,
at
we
this
can
point.
we can go to the LSC. I can go get him real quick. The guy who
Okay,
sold me the car.
I'm asking specifically on her statement, not the potential purchase of the vehicle. Do you have any proof that she made an
Proof of-
official request to you or demand?
Call her to the stand and ask the question.
I'd like to call her to the stand.
Miss Jen Black, would you like to take the stand?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
I can do that.
All right. Bailiff, please swear in the witness.
Remember, you're the one that made this happen. I'm gonna tell him.
Yes.
I'm gonna tell him.
It's okay. We can name the
I
baby.
do not know that
Okay,
he is present.
okay.
He does not?
Fine.
All right.
Doesn't seem like it.
I will swear in
Bailiff's for
the
AWOL.
witness
I'm
myself.
here.
Oh,
What'd you
he's
say?
here now.
Oh,
He's
there's
here
AP
now.
on your back.
Would you please swear
Sorry.
in the witness?
Ma'am, are you gonna say everything that is the truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Place your hand in the Bible.
Sorry, first time bailiff.
Yeah, you can tell. Yes, sir.
Put your hand in the Bible.
Yeah, put your hand on the
Ma'am,
Bible,
here's
bro.
the Bible. May you place this hand on the Bible. It's on the table. And please
That's a receipt.
say
to
that you're gonna
Wendy's.
tell everything that is the truth and nothing but the truth.
Is that a copy of Moby Dick?
Again.
Call me. I do.
I do.
Thank
Okay.
God. Thank
Can we
God.
just get married?
All right. Mr. White or Counselor Bates, you may begin your direct examination of the witness.
Hi, Miss Black. When you were with the brave Lieutenant White, did you request a different card than he offered you?
No.
When the brave Lieutenant White gave you $300,000 to buy a car, and the first car that the owner gave you was a nice, comfortable, slow driving SUV for the safety of the child, did you want another one? Is that correct?
I wanted options, yes.
Yes. So you didn't want the safe one. You wanted a different one. And when you decided which car to drive, did the brave Lieutenant White also give you another 300,000 to buy an expensive, very sports, non-safe, drifty car that you wanted so very much?
Actually, I'd like to contest that the vehicle I had bought is very much safe. It has 3 times the wheels and it
Mhm.
stops on a dime.
Okay. Okay. Sure, we'll go with that. Also, did you So when Charlie, the brave Lieutenant White, did he also pay another $350,000 for the safety of the vehicle? Top notch, the brakes, turning, everything beautifully. Is that correct?
Yes.
All right. So you can say that the brave Lieutenant White had the child in his mind when he paid almost $1 million. Is that
I
correct
can
for your
say, in
vehicle?
fact, he had the child on his chest when he shot me with the AK. With the SRH.
Ma'am, this is not the questions. I would like the jury to disregard that statement
Point
by
of
her.
order. Point of order. Lieutenant White, you may not
Sir.
ask leading questions during a direct examination. Please
I'm sorry, Your
continue.
Honor. I would like the jury to dismiss that statement by Ms. Stark. That was not relevant to the question. All right. Ms. Page, would you like to take over? I'm finished here. Thank you.
May I ask how many seats this car has?
6.
Okay. Do you have a car seat for this child?
Yes, 2.
2.
Ask how many tires it has.
Are they up to standard?
Yes.
Okay.
Ask how many tires I got.
I know how many tires you have.
How many do I have?
Isn't it like 8 or 10 or something?
I have 6.
6? That's cool. Anyway, that is all, Your Honor.
Understood. Miss Black, given that you don't have any counsel present, you may begin a Grady cross-examination of yourself.
Got a mirror?
You may ask yourself and then answer your own questions. That's what a
Okay.
Grady examination is.
Can I call up a person to do it?
You may.
Leonardo Domingo.
Oh, fuck. Okay. All right.
I object to this. This is going to be biased as a related, sir. Your Honor.
It doesn't matter if they're biased. They're asking in favor of their own side. Overruled.
Mm.
All right. What was the question?
You're supposed to ask them. I don't know.
You want me to ask them? Okay. So, were you aware that this man brought your baby into a fight club?
Objection.
Yes, and I'm aware you hit the baby too.
Overruled. You may proceed.
Tell that man to ask questions to yell.
Okay, okay. Whenever he purchased the vehicle to you, did you expect anything in return for it that you had to offer back after the
No.
payment?
No.
Okay. When he purchased this vehicle for you, was it in need of the child or was it just a personal request? Or did you request to purchase
It
it?
was in need of a child to be able to take the child when I need to take the child.
Okay, so now that you're present in the child's life, do you agree to take care of it?
Whoa, whoa!
Oh, whoa, whoa! Oh, God damn it! Oh, Jesus Christ!
Y'all are the worst in the whole world. Oh my god.
Oh,
That's crazy.
What the fuck? Secret
God
Service.
damn it!
Usually leaves the doors.
Ace, and this happens to
My grandson better be taken care of, damn it.
I got you. I'm protecting my body. Look at it. He's like in between my body and the wall. You see, look at this, Your Honor. I want you to look at this. I'm protecting the baby.
Your honors.
He's just sleeping. He's just sleeping.
Your honor just gonna see Ford in the face.
Jesus.
So much
Christ.
blood. All over the Bible of Moby Dick.
Hold on, sir. I
thought that was a Hogwarts book.
Oh, get the baby first.
You don't know what it is in the book.
Baby. Yes, I shielded the baby from my body. Who the fuck did this? I'm gonna fucking rip his skin off.
Met.
Guess who, Charlie? It's Met.
Oh,
This guy was
America.
suspicious, bro. I saw him going out that door back there a few times.
No, it's not.
Kill
I don't
the
know if he was able
terrorist.
to get in or not.
What happened?
Thank you.
Yeah.
Fucking Met
Oh
came
my
in here.
goodness.
Suicide bombed.
Came in here, but
Jesus Christ.
There's a person in underwear, but
I don't know.
Oh
I was
gosh.
not ready for that.
Yeah, he was with a group of friends. One of them asked to go to the restroom to unlock the door, and then once I unlocked the door to let the two guys out,
Hey,
he rushed it.
That's the guy that shot
So
me
those
at
two
Benny's
guys were involved then.
at
Yeah, they're
customs.
involved.
Your Honor, I do
No,
not feel
he's-
safe here. According to my the woman right here, that man also assaulted her, and now it came to blow
He
us up.
shot me
Oh
earlier.
yeah, I got the body cam. Just saved it.
Your Honor, if you're speaking, we cannot hear you. I think the bomb blew his vocals cords. out.
Officers,
I guess.
officers in Secret Service. Oh god.
The bomb splatter on the fucking
Jesus
floor.
Christ.
Please,
I'm not uploading
Glasses,
it right now.
Tuck
Please-
shirt and sweatpants.
please remove and process these individuals. White,
I'm-
Captain
Why
White,
am I
you
getting
can handle
processed
this.
for,
Hold on.
bro?
The dude,
Why am I
the
getting
dude,
processed for?
the dude with the bucket hat and the hijab is all right. He was shooting zombies outside. I believe that story. He is. I believe he's all right.
But just so you do know, he
But-
was coming in and out of here a lot.
I was not coming in and out of there,
Right.
bro.
I'll be
Please.
conducting a section. I'll conduct a
Let's go
section.
outside the courtroom.
Outside.
Outside the courtroom.
Are you taking the suspect, or you want me to process him?
This is
the baby
family court.
okay?
Why was it so?
Yeah, I protected it with my body. You know?
My
My
god.
back doesn't feel so good.
If only you were protection, this kid wouldn't be here right now.
That Muslim nun blew his load into me. Can you believe it?
I believe there's
I can believe it. Who wouldn't want to?
Oh my
I'm
god.
just exploding with joy.
See, you see,
Alright.
Your Honor, I put more baby armor on this one,
Alright.
and I also protected
Order
it
in the
from
court.
blast.
Order in the court.
How you gonna
Phil
have the
Graves.
court's blown up?
Yeah.
Phil Graves, please secure the door. No one else is to enter.
I am because of current threats. I'm gonna be added protection.
I appreciate it.
Your
Someone
Honor, this is
please
not a
secure
safe
the door.
environment for my baby. Can you please clean his blood off the floor?
Alright.
I do not want to be here.
Can me?
Do we know? Did we know that the bomb was contagious? Like, did it have any biological
Agents?
warfare?
It was I don't believe it was, no.
Why? You're thinking of contagions.
Well, we're gonna reconvene court. Alright. Miss Black, if you'd like to retake the stand and have him recontinue the questions.
Is the court safe?
Court
I think
does
so.
not
Yes.
stop. Court does not stop. We will continue.
Jesus Christ, there's
Just
blood
for
everywhere.
precautions? Duck. Call the questions you want. Is that my blood? I think this is supposed to be inside me.
Alright.
Not too late.
Mr. Was it Darnell? You said Miss Black who was asking the questions?
Leonardo.
Leonardo?
Yeah, Bingo.
Darnell's my brother.
I got
Leonardo
you.
DiCaprio.
Talk to my brother like uncle like that.
I thought he was your
low-key-
father.
Yeah,
No, that's my father, but his brother's my uncle.
that's my other son over there. Wait, that's my son. Wait, what?
That's my brother.
As you can see, they are mentally not capable. They don't even know who
anyways,
they're related
listen,
to.
Order!
Listen.
Order in the
Branched
court!
out.
Order in the court. Please proceed with the questioning.
Okay. Before I got my brains blown up by I don't know what the hell that was. What was I asking you? It was about the vehicle. Your Honor, I'm sorry. I just had like a stage 55,000 concussion, and I completely lost my train of thought. So, do you here plead to be in this baby's life from now on forward? Because that is my
Yes.
grandson, and I actually want to be in his life as well. Because I was
It is
unaware
too
that
late
this was my
for an
grandson.
abortion. We're good.
Oh my god.
Jesus Christ, I didn't raise you this way. Anyways,
You wanted an abortion?
I
Order!
would like for
Order! Counselor and Mr. White, please sit down.
Yeah, sit down, Captain.
Well, that's stricken from the record. That was a joke.
Lieutenant White.
I would
Wait,
like for
do you
you
mean
to
me
be
too?
in this
Yeah.
baby's life, and I want you to sit here and tell me that you will be in his life, especially after the purchases he's just made on you. I feel like he was very generous. He bought you a nice vehicle. He gave you all the necessities to take care of the child. I feel like the right thing you should do is be in the child's life. Can you do that?
Yes.
Who is watching
Okay, that's all I had to ask, Your Honor.
Alright. Are you done cross-examining yourself, Miss Black?
I had to ask. No, we're good.
Alright. You may take a seat back at your desk.
Okay, I'm taking the silent.
Alright. Give me a moment here.
What?
Alright. It's the opinion of this court that the father, Charlie White, of the child, Charlotte Gary White Jr.
Charlie.
Charlie.
And we can still change the name later if the mother wants to.
Has put the child in a dangerous situation due to an inability to provide care for the child.
Technically, the
It
court
is
can say
also
you got one.
silence. Order.
True.
Order in the
True.
court. It is also the opinion of this court that the mother, Jen Black, up until recently, I believe today, has not expressly presented an interest nor concern for the child's life or the well-being until significant assets of value were brought up. As such, and as the care for the child stands, I find both the father and the mother to at this time be unable or unwilling to care for the child. Given the situation, I am reprimanding the child into the care of the San Andreas Child Protective Services. Bailiff! Get him! Get him! Get him! Get him!
Your Honor.
It's your fault for bringing up the assets, woman.
I'm sorry. He's
Your
been
Honor,
providing for
can I
his
say something real
child,
quick?
damn it!
We'll have to
Yeah.
wait for them to bring him back.
No,
We have to wait for
before
it-
he gets here. 'Cause
we-
I don't want him to think I have a heart. Hold on. He's a good father. He deserves to keep it that way. He's safer with him. It's one weekend visitation. You hear me?
Release me.
Charlie.
Fucking.
Please cuff the father
Yeah.
to his stand over there by his chair so that he may not move away from it.
Can I bring something up?
Just a moment.
Or...
Let's wait for him to get reseated.
Oh, my legs.
Just before this baby's not in the family's care anymore.
This baby's staying here forever with me.
All
He
right.
cuffing me. He uncuffed me.
You may speak, Captain White.
Hey,
Well, I would
why'd
just
you
like to
hard
also
cuff me? I
point
can't
out
move.
that I'm a detective and I am a whole lot less active
Said to cuff you
scenes
to the
than
chair.
most officers and LEOs. So it would be in my ability to take care of this baby and keep it out of harm's way even while working until they can find out proper
While
arrangements.
Are you ever in a position where you have ever had to respond to dangerous or violent
good.
calls?
Very rarely.
But they can happen.
Your Honor. Can I come talk
Silence.
to you?
They
come talk to
can
you,
happen
please?
occasionally, but I mean, if given the scenario, I could line up my girlfriend or somebody like that to take care of the baby for
I
one
see.
day,
And
or for an hour or so.
who would this girlfriend be?
Hey.
Imaginary girlfriend.
It's okay
Your
if
Honor.
she's a local girlfriend.
She is. She is.
She is. Is her name Jessimusicus White?
It's Nancy.
It's actually not White. It's Arnold.
Arnold.
But yeah.
So
Yeah,
it's
she ain't gonna marry him.
Jessimusicus Arnold would be the girlfriend. And where does she work?
Indeed.
Where does she work?
She works at the taco stand across the street from Burger Shop.
I understand. That's a very, very honorable career to have. And does she have any convictions?
She doesn't actually.
All right. And how would you describe the state of your house?
I just bought a house. I'm actually still decorating and everything. I just got the guest bedroom set up last night for my nephew if he ever wants to stay the night.
That sounds
The
perfect.
Pool out back. Me and detective / corporal or / sergeant David Jesweski. We're roommates actually. There's 2 masters in the house, 2 master bedrooms and 2 guest bedrooms. So
I understand. At
Your
this time, yes, Miss Bates.
I do request that Charlie White has visitation rights to his child.
All right.
as he-
Someone please remove this individual from my bench.
Oh wait, we got a bailiff. Never mind.
Bailiff.
Handcuffed. This is
Bailiff.
hurting.
Daughter, get your ass down
Bailiff.
here. Get your ass down
Graves, get her.
I need to be uncuffed, please. I
Okay.
cannot see anything.
All
Okay, I
right.
cannot turn around, please.
All right. So
Uncuff
this
me,
will
please.
be
I'll
I
drop
can
it
hear
up.
Charlie,
you.
shut up.
Order in the
I'll be
court.
I
dropped
bet
it.
you said to
Order
remove
in the
her while
court.
she's gone.
I'll tell you what to do.
Order in the court. All right. It will be the standing order of this court that the guardianship of Charlie Garret White Jr. by Charlie White and by Mother Jen Black Stiles is hereby revoked temporarily. Guardianship.
Fuck you.
Order in the court. If the defendant speaks out again, he is to be gagged.
Suck
That's
me
hot.
off.
Bailiff, please
Hey,
gag
Your Honor,
the father.
Who's Styles? My last name is not Styles. It's Domingo.
It's not Domingo. My
You gotta
apologies.
soft cuff me. You gotta soft
Soft-
cuff me. first.
Wait, actually, never mind.
Just
Bomber.
slash do a
He's trying to
gag
put
in his
something in my
mouth.
mouth. I don't like it.
Is the gag in, bailiff? All right. All right. It is hereby ordered that the
Oh
child will be given
Mmm.
to Captain White under guardianship. It is also hereby ordered that the San Andreas Child Protective Services and Department of Family Services shall conduct a safety and health inspection of his house to be commenced within the hour. The defendant, the father here, will be taken to a clothing store. The clothing store in Rockford.
Oh my god! Your Honor.
One
Your
moment,
Honor.
I need a drink of water. I'm quite parched. It is hereby ordered that the clothing store in Rockford Hills shall be the designated exchange and drop-off point of the child should any visitation take place, and shall be the point where the child shall be exchanged with at the present moment. He will be escorted by court services under the authority of the Child Protective Services Act.
Fuck you, bitch.
Please place the gag back on the defendant.
Oh, please no. I can't breathe. My nose is, blocked off. Come on.
Please, bailiff, please secure his tongue with a clamp as well. Okay.
How you spell choker?
Okay. The father shall have the ability to request visitation with the child at General Court this Saturday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, 5 p.m. Central Standard Time. Until that time, he has a no contact order. This is not a restraining order, simply a no contact order with the child. He is not to attempt to make physical contact with the child. Or any electronic contact with the child. He may not call the child, reach out to the child on social media, nor may he mail any letters or items to the child. He may contact the guardian, White, while continuing to be approved under court order for updates on the child's well-being and status. The guardian, White, has discretion to allow contact with the child, but he is to notify the SACPS if any such contact takes place. At this time, we will escort the father to the clothing store to handle the child exchange. The father, Charlie White, and the mother, Jen Black, are hereby ordered to appear at General Court and are required to give notice of in-head reasons for failure to appear within 24 hours of the failure to appear.
I thought I didn't have to be here to begin with.
You're now ordered to appear. If you do not, you will be held in contempt of court and a bench warrant will be issued for your arrest. That goes for the father, Charlie White, as well. Alright. Bailiffs.
You were definitely adopted.
Graves, please pull around your...
Oh my god.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Please pull around the vehicle to transport the father and the new guardian.
Wrapping up right now.
Let us know when you have it pulled around. Please keep a hold on the father.
You'll,
Alright.
47 will let you know. That's 47 with the father right now.
Alright, thank you. Alright. Miss Bates, you may come with us. Mr. White, Captain White, if you'll come with us. Oh dear, I need to change.
Is in charge right now.
Would you walk?
Yeah. Alright. Where'd he go?
I can't
He's
see shit.
invisible. I got him.
You got him? Okay.
Let me
Yeah,
hold
I'm
my
waiting
baby.
for a car.
Alright.
Graves, we need a car at entry C in front of you.
Let me hold my baby. Let me go talk to my higher up. I need to talk to my higher up.
I don't see Charlie.
Charlie, where are you, Charlie?
He's in my pocket.
Free White, free White.
Okay.
Oh, there he is.
Oh dear heavens, a zombie!
Oh yeah, I forgot.
It's just...
Fuck what you get.
Dog, it's just me.
Let me hug my baby. Let me hug my baby, asshole. Can't do this. I'm gonna fucking kill you.
Thank you. Follow that car. The sheriff's car to the clothing store. Oh my god, I hate these zombies so much.
Yeah, I'm showing.
Can I be like uncuffed? Like, I can walk away. Can't do it. You gotta uncuff me for me to do it. I'm not gonna figure that out. Oh shit! Are you gonna fucking uncuff me?
Alright, Germain, I'm gonna uncuff him. If he tries to run, can we use lethal force?
Bye!
You may shoot him in the kneecaps.
I'm gonna shoot in your balls if you do that. Fuck off!
I knew it!
Ah!
Shoot him in the kneecaps.
Pick me up! Pick me up! Ah!
Cuff him, cuff him.
Ah! I'm being attacked! I'm being attacked!
Alright, he will now be held in contempt of court.
Oh, that's defense. If I was being attacked by a zombie, you guys didn't defend me, so there you go. No, I was...
Alright, we'll allow it. Just go ahead. Go ahead.
They're here! Get them!
I hate these zombies.
Think about reload skin. Think about reload
Get
skin.
the home.
Everyone think about reload skin and zombies go away.
Did she take the child?
I'm not doing that. I'm not gonna cheat out the system.
Didn't she take the child?
Who?
The woman?
No.
Ah!
Okay. Ah!
Bro, let me go so I can kill him.
Think about reload skin and the zombies go away.
Let me go so I can kill him.
Uncuff him so he can reload skin.
He can reload skin while cuffed. I bet he just.
It'll scuff him. It'll scuff him.
Yeah, what was scuffing? Ah! 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 Ah!
Hey, reload your skin now, or I swear to God, I will have you arrested for obstruction of justice.
For what?
You're gonna-
You
you're
can't
gonna
arrest
lo-
me
you-
for shit.
You're gonna lose your job.
I can't do that. I don't know what you guys are talking about. You gotta. Ah! Go fight back. Go fight back. I can't do shit. I can't do anything.
Okay, just kill the zombies. Just kill the zombies attacking you.
I'm completely scuffed. Help me. There's so many of them.
Reload skin.
I can't even do that. It's scuffed.
Hop on the car. Just stand on the car. They can't get
Stand
you.
on the
Jesus
Get in the
Christ.
car? Okay.
No, if
Like,
you
I
get
can't
in that
there.
car, you will be shot.
Oh my god. Just gonna
Yeah,
see.
it's an awkward,
My door's gone.
awkward situation I got myself in here.
All right.
Is the baby a backpack or?
You think the baby's a backpack? Baby
No,
is
it's a scarf.
Just stand on the car and shoot the zombies. Jesus Christ.
I can't shoot. Can you not? I'm shooting right now. I can't shoot. I can't switch
You're
my gun.
holding a taser. Jesus.
Look at you, Mr. Obvious.
Oh my god.
I still can't do it. I still can't do it.
Here, right on the side of the road down here.
Told you this car was fucking family friendly. Hey.
You can't do that.
Thanks, I run! You got the child now. What do you guys need to do? Ow, what the fuck?
Get after that child, cadet.
Trying, if my vehicle would be unlocked, there we go.
You said you were gonna help me.
Fuck.
I'll read that skin.
I think I lost it already.
Get it. Get that child. Block it off. Block it off. Call it out on radio. 1080 code 7.
Yeah, well, I was on radio. And I'm not even a solo cadet yet.
Okay. I'll do it. Jesus Christ.
Get the solo cadet friends, but she just crashed.
Oh my god, this is fucking impossible with these zombies. I fucking hate this.
Yeah.
Well, let me fucking use the radio. God fucking damn it.
Okay. Yeah, I'm here. I mean, I'm chasing her. Yeah.
Are you on radio right now?
I'm with the Secret Service.
I got you. Shit. Can't get my fucking radio to work. I fucking hate this.
You got a holster.
You know, that that might help a little.
Oh shit. She's gone straight.
Well, hello, Mr. Germain, Maximillian, Francais, DeMarquis, Rob. Oh.
10-3, 10-3, code 7 call. We have an abducted child headed southbound on Power Street. That's in a 6-wheeled, multicolored blue vehicle. Currently 9041. This is code 7, code red. She has a child in her custody. She is to be eliminated if the child's not presently endangered to do so. Headed northbound on Power Street.
Ooh.
Major 1050.
1050.
Major 1050. Major 1050. Block her in. Block her in. Block her in. Shoot the wheel if you can. She's continuing northbound on Power Street.
My kid.
Ma'am, step out of the vehicle or you will be shot. Step out of the vehicle or you will be shot. Get out of the vehicle.
Captain White attaching.
Get out of the vehicle or you will be shot. Ma'am. Continuing westbound on Occupation Avenue. Continuing westbound on Occupation Avenue. Requesting all units available, code 7. She's passing by City Hall on Carcer Way. On Carcer Way, continuing westbound, taking a left headed southbound on Palomino Avenue. Boxer in, boxer in, boxer in, boxer in.
Nothing. Wait for lethal pit, boys.
Be advised, child is in the vehicle, but she is code red once able.
Whoever's over there in Los Santos Customs, I need you to arrest both personnel that are currently in white.
Major 1050.
Not a major 1050.
Major 1050. Get her, get her, get her. Block her in, block her in.
Blocking it.
Step out of the vehicle!
Vehicle slip.
Out of the vehicle.
If you attempt to run, you will be shot. If you attempt to run, you will be shot. Remove her from the vehicle.
What are you doing to my grandson, you damn sick in the head, daughter?
Out of the vehicle. She is code red, shoot her in the head.
It's fine, we've got a cop.
10-4. Escort her back to the courtroom.
That wasn't safe for the baby.
Jesus Christ.
Everyone back to the courtroom. Let's get out of here, cadet. Quickly.
Catch the person running away in the Canadian?
Oh, Judge, once this case is finished, remember Matt wants to speak to you in our cells.
I gotcha.
Courtrooms. Okay.
Back to the courtroom.
Anyone know where the kid is?
Oh, what?
Oh!
What did we hit?
I don't know.
Oh my God.
You did very good, by the way.
Thank you.
Who's your supervising officer?
I mean, I've been trained by a few officers. Like a mix of everything, you know.
Are you BCSO or?
I'm BCSO, so
Alright, I'll speak to AK.
main supervisor is Kennedy.
I gotcha.